Almost is the bit Portable. No explanation Portable never give. Portable don't blame everybody except the Babalawo. Chacha Eke wanna be. I go, you know, I go sit down here, me and you go call. And then we market women, oh. This is your tattoo before na rose flower, you don't turn ugu. Ladies and gentlemen, good night. Can come, you unsuccessful actress, don't talk to me anyhow.
MC Casino, funny by nature, live in Lagos.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. No, not too verse. I think I caught. Almost is the bit Portable. No explanation Portable never give. Portable don't blame everybody except the Babalawo. Lagos, thank you for coming out. Ladies, there's something I need to know tonight. How long is talking stage? Talking stage, how long? How long is supposed to say? Who say one day? If they are shower, give that thing. One day. Just start saying that. Don't call your OP. It shall be one day. How long is talking stage? 5 days. 5 years. I don't understand. Una dey stammer. But una dey talk for 5 years. This guy, you will be like, who they suffer men. Yeah, your friends, they laugh you. Ladies, know who to marry. Know who you are getting married to. Very important. My younger sister married newspaper vendor. Now she get punched on Daily Times. You know, now this Lagos we there, Bobrisky come and tell us that she be mother of Lagos. This same Lagos of 220 million people. Only Bobrisky say na our mama. Man talks say na she tell us that she's a woman. We agree, I don't argue. Bobrisky, mother of Lagos, call me mommy. We call her Oshe Bades. We agree. But I just think now say, Bobrisky now, she don't claim woman till she go reach 80, 85. She go die of prostate cancer. Now the obituary go sweet because they go write, our mother died a great man. This is not the break me. I'm not the artist. Lagos is a very funny place. But this is not cost for this country. If you know you flew in from Benin, wave your hand. About talk by hey. Mona Benin people flew you. You know, say in those days, flights, you fit take Benin. Your guy if he just call you for Lagos, say Alpha, party day Lagos. You just go airport. 15,000 you buy ticket. True or false? That day as you reach airport, you buy ticket, you don't reach Lagos. But now, Benin to Lagos, 2 weeks before, 150,000 toll. Hey, content creator, hey, free ticket. Hello. Wait, not be Angela Okorie be this. Cut the call. Cut this call now. Cut this call, no. I go call all those actresses where want PTO. Who you they talk to? Bring the phone. Now because you carry iPhone 17, now very dark man iPhone 17. And they call, if you at your feet, and they distract you. Now why you not calling MVCA yesterday? I get a short man syndrome. For this year, I'm sure you don't pay complete. If you say you don't know, say na cost they take bomb you. You don't get power. Now only Twitter, only to write for story and them. I don't understand. Make a weird with it. See this apocalyptic girl. Don't worry, make I leave you. They don't tell me say make I leave you. See this one. All your full career, now see first talk in the street. I don't understand. Oh, hey, yeah, Chacha Eke wanna be. I go, you be like say, I go sit down here, me and you go call. And then we market women, oh. This is your tattoo before na rose flower, you don't turn ugu. Ladies and gentlemen, good night. You can come, you unsuccessful actress, don't talk to me. And they graduate do video for my friend. Fuck you!
Money where we got you know.
MC Casino, funny by nature, live in Lagos.
Alright. Yeah, that's alright. Thank you. Thank you so much. That's okay, right? Don't. That's alright. I just came to calm the situation. Put some respect. That's, ladies and gentlemen, Angela Okorie, ladies and gentlemen. Come on now. Legendary actor. Yeah, put some respect on your fucking name. Now, before you drink, I mean alcohol. Don't mind him, alright? Just forgive and forget. It's okay. I came to come in so I can call the next act, right? Please serve the rice and the, I don't know which wedding you want to call. Wait, when I tell you we don't get rice. Ross, I tell you we don't get food. What will this Angela tell me? I won't get rice. Rice, small chops, and ugu. Forgive what that shit. You know, say we get TV for back. I just say, you don't tattoo, you do ugu. I say, this fine tattoo. That boy no tattoo. I say, mama, I swear na ugu. I swear to God. Baba, may they give me fufu, bro. I just begin hungry. They don't want that you bring rice, no leave. They might leave you. Ladies